Alright guys, quick video here. Yeah, I just got a care package sent out to me from Dan Sterling from Sterling Self-Defense. Yeah guys, so let's get right into this and check it out. He said he was sending me he was gonna send me a barrel for the new the Pistol X 68 or the Intra Buster. But yeah, look at this. This is just wow. This thing looks like about 5 barrels. Anyways, let's just get into this. Wow. So, holy shit. Yeah, there's a ton of stuff in here. Wow. Look at all this. Anyways, so here's the 2 barrels for the X68. So he said that they had a couple of blemishes on them. And that's nothing. That's just cosmetic. These things are going to be inside, so you can't see that anyway. And besides, I can paint it anyway. I already painted one. I painted this guy here. But, yeah. Wow. So these are going to screw right in. To just take the old one out. Yeah, here's the marker here, so it'll go in. Yeah, I'll show that off later. But, yeah, also here's a little an extension for it too as well. Pretty cool. And that's gonna fit. Oh yeah, that fits right in nice and snug too. Wow, yeah, he's been getting. I'm not sure if these are the ones he used in his video or if he has other ones, but he's been cracking up like 60, 65 joules, even as high as 70, I think, with his barrel extensions. I'm not sure the length of which ones he's using, but these look to be a couple inches longer than the stock barrel. Yeah, so about, yeah, maybe 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches longer. So yeah, we're definitely going to be testing these out. That's awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, looks like you sent a gauge. Nice. This is a pressure tester. You can test your PSI with. It's one of the oil ones, so it's a good one. And oh, it's a two-way. So let's put in the two-way. That looks like a tank connection. This looks like a tank connection. I don't know. This is definitely a tank connection. It looks like this is a micro hose line. And a first strike on-off adapter. Oh, nice. These things are nice and small too. What? I'm using these guys. Look at these big things. So yeah, that's what I have on my Pistol X now. I'm definitely going to swap these two out, actually. But look at that. It cuts off like, by the time you screw it in, it cuts off like an inch, a good inch in length, maybe a little more. Oh, that's sweet. But yeah, I can definitely swap those up. And yeah, when you come down here, see, it'll take all that off. So all that length there from here down is gone. I mean, anything to make it more compact, right? Oh wow, that's pretty sweet though, man. You just screw this on your tanks and you can get a reading now. Pretty sweet. Wow, look at all these parts and springs. Whoa, what are some of these things? I don't even know what some of these are. These are definitely detents. Not sure what for yet. M17 or VKS maybe. That almost looks like one of the things for the Umarex piercing caps at the bottom that you spin. I'm not sure. This here is... Oh, again, I'm not sure what that is either. Yeah, it's got a bunch of hardware with it. I'll have to check that out. I'll have to ask them because I don't know what a lot of this stuff's for. Here we got some screws. There's a spring here with some type of valve thing. I have no idea. I've never seen these. And then again, they could be for the FSC. Could be VKS stuff. Yeah, we got a couple more of these extensions. Nice. I would imagine it's for the FSC. One might be, maybe. Yeah, because it's a different profile than these. So yeah, that's definitely not for this guy. Could be FSC and VKS or both. Yeah, even these look different profiles. Actually, no, they look a bit the same. Nice, anyways, that's probably for the FSC, I'm guessing. We got some more barrels. These look like VKS FSC types too. This one's oh yeah, for shape projectiles. Maybe VKS. One's got a threaded tip. Oh, they both got threaded tips. Or do they? Yep. Nice. Got more baggies in here. So we got a, oh, that's a hardcore spring. Wow, that's a heavy spring. I don't know what that is for. These look like some D10s, maybe? Some kind of metal D10s. I'm not sure what this is. It's a part for something. It's got grease on it. And these here, we got these two nipple connections with thread. These are pretty solid steel. Not sure where these go either. Got the nipple ends. One's shorter, one's longer, and they got the threads here. Those look interesting. Just not sure what they're for. Got a little box. But there's a special screw for something. I can't remember what that was for. It was for one of these, maybe? And we've got another one here. What's this? Something came with a bolt. Oh, VKS 10-round Magmod. Okay, cool. Huh. Wow, man. This is great. Thanks for all this. Oh, we're not done yet. There's still... Oh, we got a couple of the Sterling Self-Defense stickers. And then there's this mystery piece here. I'm not sure what this is. It's got the Sterling Self-Defense logo on it. Kind of little wheel thing. It's threaded right here. I don't know. I just can't make sense of that. I don't know what it is. Now we got another barrel. Oh, something red inside. Oh, no way. Freak Extra Large 686. That's like Jules, Granberg Jules 686. Wow, this is sick. I don't have one of these. Nice. So it seems to be a freak barrel with a sleeve. Oh, nice, man. I'll definitely be checking all these out. This is great. Thanks, Dan. Awesome, man. Wow. Never expected all this. He said he's going to be sending me a barrel, and Christ, look at all this shit. Wow, this is awesome. But yeah, guys, anyways, I'm gonna find out what all this stuff's for, and we'll put it to use and check it out. Anyways, till next one, guys. Y'all stay safe, take care, and have fun. I'm gonna be putting all this on the new Pistel 68, so yeah, we'll check that out soon. Take care, guys.